Thuc, I would love to pass it on to you for our third and final pitch here, and I think it's going to be a little bit different than the rest. So I'm going to go ahead and stop my screen share and let you, if you're teed up for it, take it away.
All right. Hello, everyone. My name is Thuc, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Ohmni Labs. Give me 1 second. Let me pull up my screen. All right. Can you see my slides?
You should be good to roll.
Yeah. All right. All right. Hi, everyone. So from Ohmni Labs was founded in 2015 with 3 co-founders, myself, Jared Go, and Ting-Si Tan. And we have launched several types of robots so far in the market that won multiple international recognition. We developed some of the robots for some of the large names, big names like Volkswagen or All Nippon Airlines. And we have deployed more than 4,000 robots in 48 countries with 700 different clients, large enterprise, including 21 of them in the Fortune 100 list. We are now at more than 50 hospitals, and to date, we have generated more than 12 million in revenue. So before Ohmni Labs, I did my undergrad at Carnegie Mellon University and my PhD at Stanford, both in computer science, focusing on AI. Right after Stanford, I started my first company, Cotango. It was invested by Glenda Perkins and Facebook, and later got acquired by Google. One fun fact was that Jared and I actually were roommates back then at Carnegie Mellon, and we did a lot of research projects together, especially in robotics. Our work got multiple awards, including the Best of North America back then, and that's how all the ideas of Ohmni Lab got started. So we started in 2015, and we actually went through the pandemic, right? I myself experienced 2 major lockdowns and saw firsthand how fragile, overwhelmed, and understaffed the healthcare system were. And things are not getting much better after the pandemic. Let's face it, US healthcare system still facing massive labor shortages and rising labor costs. One of the areas they're struggling the most with is disinfection. And disinfection is very important because every year, more than 1.7 million people got affected. They get cross-infected in the hospital while getting treated for something else. And this results in more than 100,000 deaths and over 30 billion in medical costs alone. Hospital will also have to face multi-million-dollar lawsuit and penalties. It's estimated that they spend over $1 billion a year in labor costs to disinfect operating room alone. And so this is the reason why we developed and launched OmniClean, a fully autonomous UV disinfection robot to disrupt this $3 billion disinfection industry. So OmniClean was developed with extensive testing and feedback from multiple hospitals, including Stanford Healthcare. Our team went to Stanford Hospital every night for a month to observe the team doing disinfection, using our robots and other solutions, and learn what worked and what did not work, so that we can design and develop the right solution that fit really well into their workflow. OmniClean is much better than any existing solution in the market. Many customers compared us to the iPhone when this first came out. OmniClean can disinfect a room in 10 to 12 minutes and do not miss any of those high-touch surfaces. Other solutions such as manual disinfection or stationary UV solution will take between 30 to 45 minutes to disinfect. And studies show that manual disinfection can miss up to 50% of the surfaces, which is very scary. Hospital can see a return of investment in 6 months by switching to OmniClean from their traditional methods because of the safe cost from labor costs, from chemicals and wipes that they need to spend. And compared to other stationary UV solution, our OmniClean is not only faster, but also at less than half the cost. Doesn't require someone to push it around the room. You can see fully autonomous, self-driving to really disinfect, all different area like around the bed or like the panel. And we have a lot more advanced features such as mapping, recording, and reporting by our cloud system. It is a no-brainer that hospital choose OmniClean over other solution. So we are at an inflection point right now with very strong signals from the market. We have deployed at big name hospitals such as Boston VA, Stanford, or Providence. We have a strong pipeline at more than 12 million and growing, 3 to 5 deals per week right now. Our closing probability is 70% after on-site demo, which is amazing because hospital teams fall in love with Ohmni when they see how easy, how effective we work. And we have 3 million in later stage in our pipeline right now that looking to close in 3 to 6 months. And the really good thing is we're getting recommended word of mouth across different hospitals as the best solution. And so we're seeing much shorter closing for ourselves, as short as 3 months. What's really exciting is the opportunities for us to get adopted across some of the largest hospital systems in the US, such as Veteran Affairs. They have about 171 hospitals, 1,000 clinics, very well funded, or Indian Health Services, 51 hospitals, and more than 900 facilities, or Baylor Scott and White, which we already got approved to supported as the vendor for across the whole system. And each of the hospital will purchase between 3 to 5 robots, and so it results in a very substantial deal. We're aiming to hit profitability by end of 2023 with 70 million plus in revenue. And we have multiple other use cases in the pipeline, such as delivery of food, medicine, or equipment, and receptionists. All right, I have prepared something special for you guys. The one really cool thing about our robot is that we manufacture all our robots in-house in Silicon Valley. And so I can give you a tour of our facility. Let me see if I can do it really quickly. All right. So the cool thing about being a robotics company is we're using our own products for many different things. And so what you're seeing right now is our facility in Silicon Valley. And we're using our own telepresence robot to give you a tour. This is live. So on the left-hand side, you can see these robots that, waiting to ship out, the telepresence robots, as well as the UV disinfection robots. And you can see the production line that making these robots. Very compact facility, but we can make about 2,000 robots per year from this facility alone. So these are the UV disinfection, getting QC and ready to roll out. The way that we manufacture our robot is actually using a combination of injection molding and 3D printing. This is, very unique. And not many companies in the world actually, going this route, much less robotics. But with 3D printing allow us to iterate very quickly, almost like a software company, so that we can get the feedback from the market and really improve on the products. Let me see if I can show you our 3D printer farms. So we design and build our own 3D printers. This allows us to have really high quality 3D printed parts that can be assembled all in-house. And these printers, cost much less than anything in the market. All right, so that's a quick overview of our company, and I would love to answer more questions. Thank you.
That was awesome. Really cool. Thank you so much for giving us that experience.